Hey everybody, it's Jason with All-Star Welding. So it's December 20th and it just happens to be my 59th birthday. And I'm also going to kind of wrap up this year. I've got one more video coming out this weekend, and it's about the plasma torch that Viva sent me to check out. And you're gonna want to see this video because it's pretty nice. But I want to thank everybody, every single one of you, for subscribing, for leaving comments, for liking my videos, because all of this made all this happen. So YouTube sent me a year-end wrap, some details, and I want to share this with you. So this year, I've had 1,295 new subscribers. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. I've had 127.3 thousand views. Wow. I've had 65 uploads, so I've made 65 videos this year. 4,513 likes on those videos. 724 comments. And if you're a regular subscriber to this channel, you know that I respond to every single comment that you leave, whether it's been good or bad. But you know what? Y'all are some amazing people. My thumbs up average for the channel is like 98%. Out of the 70-something videos I've got. That's pretty dang good. And I've only had maybe one or two bad comments, and you know, I understand that. I can't please everybody, but I took their comments, I responded to their comments. They were actually kind of polite about it. So I really don't mind. And they gave me some constructive criticism about my videos, and so I've been using that to try to tweak things. I think I'm going to buy myself a new camera for Christmas, so maybe that will make my videos a little bit better. I'm going to get some little wireless lavalier mics. I'm working on different techniques to video the actual weld, so that you can actually see it better. And if you've ever tried to video a weld, it's kind of difficult, you know, trying to get everything right. Now I've seen some videos lately that are crystal clear, and I don't know how in the world they're making those weld videos, but they are crystal clear, and you can see that weld puddle just beautifully. So I'm working on that. I've also got over New Year's, I'm going to make another video about my favorite stick rod holder that I like to use, and I'm going to compare a bunch of different ones. But I've got a truck tour coming. I've had a lot of requests for what do I carry on my truck, and I'm going to show you all of that stuff. But I've got a couple of things that I want to do to my truck first, before I do that. So I've got that coming. Hopefully I can do that over January, February when I'm slow. But look, I'm gonna go get me some coffee, and since it's my birthday, I'm gonna treat myself to a nice little coffee shop. But I want to thank every single one of you for making this happen. I've only had this channel maybe a year and 2 months, I think it is, and I've been having a lot of fun with it. It started just as a thing to do when I had a little downtime, and now it's kind of turned into this full-time hobby. And I've got a lot of people sending me stuff. I've got requests from companies about doing a collaboration with their product. And when I go look at their product, it's not something I want to push. You know, so I'm pretty selective. And if you watch my videos, you know that if I like a product, I push it hard. Like the titanium flux machine, the Outlaw. I love those machines. They make me so much money, and I push those hard because I want you guys to have one, and I want you to be able to use them to, you know, its best possibilities. But look, if you've got any ideas for videos, please leave a comment down below, because trying to come up with something to make a video about can sometimes be kind of difficult. I'll have a day off. It'll be a Saturday or Sunday, and I've got nothing to do, and I'll say, hey, I'll make a video, and I get everything ready, and then I think, well, what am I going to make the video about? And I can't come up with any ideas, so I just put everything away and go take a nap. But anyway, so if you've got any ideas, please, please, please leave a comment. And it doesn't matter, you know, what it is or how basic it is, because I've always said that the crux or the whole purpose of my channel is to help the beginner welder, the beginner mobile welder, somebody that's wanting to get into welding, somebody that wants to save some money, somebody that doesn't have anybody to ask questions to. And you know, if you ask me a question, I'm gonna answer it. And out of 720 whatever video comments I have, I've answered every single one of them, and I really appreciate it. But anyway, so I'm going to end this. Thank you for a great year. Work has been phenomenal. The channel has been phenomenal, and I hope that every one of you have a great Christmas, and I hope that you have a wonderful New Year's Day, and be safe. Don't drink and drive. Golly, that's crazy. If you're gonna celebrate, celebrate, but call an Uber, phone a friend, you know, whatever. A $30 Uber ride is a lot cheaper than killing somebody or having a wreck, getting a DUI, ruining your life, killing yourself. But anyway, thank you. I appreciate every one of you. I love all of y'all, and have a great weekend.